So on this one, my third wall is going to be obviously on the right side, but I also have a fourth wall on the left side. Now, the same amount of wall that we have showing for that fourth wall is how much I have showing beyond that door. So when we have a balanced image and everything is just composed on that side. So on this one, I think I might have to do another phone shot on this one. Dang it. I hate these phone shots. Okay, I just need to get a better camera. All right, get that there. Maybe I don't need to go back as far as I did. Okay, we're gonna get it right there. So done remotely. Okay, and then manually. Maybe a 20. That's a 20 right there. What does a 24 look like? Or 28. It's right there. I'll do that. 28. Actually, let's go 35. 35 right there. Okay. And I'm wondering, I'll do this. In that phone shot that we didn't have to do because my third wall's this face of the lower cabinets there. Okay, we got it. And then now we go, oh yeah, the dining room. We gotta finish that. Okay, we got it. And then maybe one more this way. Okay. All right, so this one is the master, so we'll shoot this one first. So the bed is probably right here. You have a Google Fiber here. Okay. So we are virtual staging this room. So we just need to get as many angles as we can get that are good. And do that. Okay. And then maybe a straight on shot of the bed. If it were here, maybe. Okay. Oh, did I get that trash can? No, I didn't. Okay. Okay, and then showing the shower. Ouch, freak. This thing killed my back. Do I want to go maybe squared on? Let's do that. So I'm going to put my timer to 5 seconds so I can escape the room. I gotta make sure I'm not snagged on anything. Let's go back back a little bit further. I don't know if there's poop on this or not. I touched it once, I don't want to touch it again. Okay. Okay. So we got that. And then do we want to get this the same way? Possibly. Ugh. Okay. Let's get this out of the way. And then get it like that. Okay. Okay. We got that. Let me take a look at it here. Not bad. Okay, not bad. Okay, so we got bedroom here. And then third and fourth walls. Okay. Bathroom. We're gonna get, kind of like we did earlier today, one with the camera in view, and then another one with the camera out of view. Okay.